Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can cook salad and grow a garden. With salad there is 6 different options. First with 2 tomatoes, second one with tomato and the carrot, third with onion and pear, fourth with 5 tomato, fifth with lilac, pear, tomato, and sixth with tomato and onion. So in this video I will cook the simplest one, first option with 2 tomatoes. So all you need to have here is in your inventory 2 tomatoes, and then you just need to go here and then press on your backpack, look for your all items, and then look for tomato, select tomato, and then I need to press E to submit to the basically pot, and then select another tomato and submit to the pot. And then you can close your inventory and then press cook. As you can see here, it will be cooked in 5 minutes. And in the meanwhile, you can cook normal, if you don't know, you can cook normal salad, legendary, mythical, divine, and prismatic. And of course, you need to have more rare fruits or vegetables with these combos here. So I will leave this website in the description below, so you can easily check all the mythical, legendary, divine, and prismatic cookouts. And also there will be all recipes, so you can check it out, and basically they will tell you exactly what to do here. And then you'll get notification sound on your game telling you that your basically food is ready. And then you just need to go to the cookout area here, and then you just need to, in my case, I need to press E to get salad. And as you can see here, if I go on my inventory here, you can see that there is some salads here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.